Guys, so this is the demonstration for the Hillroom bed, which will be using by the patient of 602. Okay?
Alright, so good morning. I am Joseph. I work with Emitab Healthcare Solutions primarily for Hillroom Beds and other furniture. Just to give you guys information.
Okay.
So this is the Progressa bed with pulmonary surface.
Okay.
So later on, I'll tell you why it's called Progressive Pulmonary Surface. First of all, it goes with progressive mobility. So you know the challenges in the ICU, or if in case you have a patient who is what do you call this, intubated, or who are like in a long term, such as your facility. So basic is that it can hold up to 295 kg.
Okay.
But for better results, between 32 to 227 kg. Okay? Why I'm saying that, it's because the surface primarily works with the patient more than the articulation of the bed. Like for example, okay, it has a built-in weighing scale.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the scale where you get it. You
Okay.
have the bed exit, you have the pulmonary functions, and you have the surface function. So later on I'll tell you that.
Okay.
So before anything else, you have to make it 0.
0, yeah.
Okay, first is press this.
Okay.
Okay. Let's press it. You see, these are the different one. But what you have to is this one. 0 tear. We
Okay.
don't have the patient, so we cannot scale or we cannot do some other options.
Okay.
So I'll press it, okay? I'll let go of the bed, 0 tear. Here, new
No
patient.
patient. Okay.
You go to new patient.
Okay.
Then continue. Okay? Then would you like to zero? Sorry. No, again, sorry. New patient.
New patient.
Why? Because we're going to delete the previous patient.
Okay.
So,
That's great.
okay. What does it say? So we have to articulate now the head section of the bed. And it goes like that because it's the required position.
Okay.
Okay, when you do it. So I guess this is, yeah, you see?
You can
So
see
it says adjust bed position until it's green.
green.
So until it's green. No, not yet.
Maybe
So
the height of the
It's
bed.
around 45, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll go up. Yeah, the height,
It's
sorry.
the height.
And then if you see it's green, I guess still no. This is around 45. We have to.
Adjust.
There, you see it's green.
It's green.
It's
Okay.
green, but then the height still an issue. Green
Green. Okay.
should be green. It's the last anyway. I don't know what's happening. So anyway, ayaw pa rin. We cannot continue until this is green. Now if we go down,
45.
is that 45?
No.
Notice that you hear that motor sound,
Yeah.
because whenever you change the position, example the angle, this actually recalibrates.
Okay.
So why it recalibrates? Because it has to make sure that the skin of the patient will be ventilated, well ventilated.
Okay.
Let us try again. Perhaps that's too much. No.
Yeah, it's green now.
There,
Yeah,
that
there
was
we
too
have
much.
it. Yeah.
Then green
Okay.
here,
Continue.
Then yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So
So let go of the bed, meaning don't touch anything.
Okay.
Do not put anything, let's say the urine bags, etc., prior to placing the bed on top of it. Now, let's go to home because we're okay. You've seen it, right? That it's 0.
Okay.
It's 38. Let's put the. Now we're ready to bring the patient
Okay.
on top of the bed. So put it on the lowest and safest position.
Okay.
So anyhow, what you see here actually it's an amber or orange color. But once it turns to, this has to turn to, but it doesn't turn to green. It's supposed to be, it's an old version.
Okay.
But did you see this? Did you
Okay.
notice? See, press it up, there's an amber color.
Yeah.
If I press it down, it
It
turned
should-
off, means this is the lowest and safest position.
Okay.
So you can now,
Put the...
from the wheelchair or from the stretcher, if it's a stretcher, then this could be like, you can put this down,
Okay.
so at least this is level with the I don't know which stretcher you have, but if you have the P8005 Hillroom transport stretcher,
It's just
zero
fitted.
gap.
Yeah,
Zero
okay.
gap, and then just use a sliding sheet or a transfer board in
Okay.
particular. Then that's it. But if it's a wheelchair, the patient can still move. So otherwise, just, you have to assist the patient, and then you can now bring the bed here.
Okay.
What else? So let's go. This is actually a basic, what do you call this? Functions or buttons. So you know this for sure. Up and down.
Okay.
Head section up and down.
Okay.
Leg section up and down. This is boosting. Boosting talks about the surface.
Ah.
Boosting
It
is
inflates?
when you want to reposition the patient.
Ah, okay.
You do the Q2R, right?
Yes.
Q2R
Turning.
or
Okay.
jambi.
Yeah.
This is
For-
a term for Arabic.
So,
This is how it goes.
Okay.
After a couple of minutes, it will go back, and then you can turn it off as well.
Ah,
If you
okay.
forgot, it's gonna go back to its
okay.
original position.
That's nice.
It's on an ALP mode or alternating low pressure.
Ah, okay.
This is anyhow when the
Patient
patient
is sitting.
egressing actually.
Ah.
This is when the patient is egressing. Notice that the function is actually for the surface again. What does it do? It has to make it flat.
Mm.
And this area, you can see, right?
Yeah,
If the
yeah.
patient... Now, this is when you do chair position.
Chair. Yeah, this one.
This is the chair position.
Okay.
I'm a little bit jumping, but let me know if you can follow, right?
Yeah, sure.
So it does go. Just press it continuously, and then wait for the. There should be an alarm. Sorry. The
Oh, yeah. Okay.
It's not an alarm. Sorry. It's a tone or it's a
That it's ready.
indicator.
That it's ready.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. So it's.
Oh, nice.
Yes, yes, yes. Again, whenever you hear the motor or the pump is working on, it means to say that it's recalibrating, making the pressure of the surface or mattress suitable to the skin of the patient to be more or well ventilated.
Ah, yeah.
So notice also, you see,
Ah, okay.
this has the auto contour
Okay.
and the patient when the patient needs it.
Nice.
I'm sorry. Please, Siri, I don't need you. I think that this is what I was talking about.
yeah, this is the chair position, guys.
This is the chair position.
Yeah.
Now, if the patient is ready for how shall I say? Seat deflated. As you
Okay.
can see, it's here. Seat deflated for best egress position, push chair button or tilt.
Okay.
Egress, meaning if the patient is ready to be mobilized, patient is sitting here, imagine, we have an overhead lift.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Then just prepare the sling, I think it's a vest type
Oh, yeah.
sling.
Sling.
Then just bring the overhead lift
Yeah.
here. Then once the patient is ready, like a harness type.
Oh, okay.
I think you know what I'm
Yeah,
talking
okay.
about. Just press this again.
Okay.
Okay, this again.
This one. Yeah, okay.
Then notice what's gonna happen. It's gonna tilt.
Ah, okay.
It's going to. Then it will say see. Later on, they will ask for me to remove this.
Ah,
Okay. Later. See. Seat deflated.
Okay, please.
Release. Okay. Now, chair egress achieve.
Okay.
Meaning to say
That.
that you have to remove this.
Okay.
Put it on the side. Then patient is ready to go down. You see?
Mm.
So if the patient is here, hold on na. Now see what's happening? It this boosts.
It boosts.
Yeah,
Okay.
it pushes me more. Look, I
Ah.
can reach now.
Ah, okay. It's very automatic. Oh my God.
Yeah. So
That's why
now
it's very
this is
expensive.
now what's gonna happen. Like the patient can reach
Mm.
with the vest. Imagine having the patient with the vest,
Mm.
harness with the overhead lift, then press the hand pendant for the overhead lift. Slowly, slowly, patients coming up,
Yeah.
then following the direction of the overhead
Yeah.
lift. Okay.
Nice.
Now, question now is how to put
How
it back
to put it
on.
back?
Yes.
Okay.
So we go now to this.
Putting back, yeah.
So it's just beside
Beside
the chair egress position.
Okay.
Okay, so this is now the chair and egress position.
Okay.
So as you can see, it goes up. Where is Anthony?
I don't.
Sa boss ko.
Mm.
Baka ko rin sana. Wala siya. Mag-one on one tayo, kapatid.
Oh. Mm.
What? So it says, install footboard. This is what I was
Yeah.
saying.
There's
So
direction.
yes, yes, yes. Just make sure if you hear that kind of tone.
You will check
Yes, check in the,
for any instruction
yes,
written
yes.
on the.
Now it's installed. It's
Yeah.
very sensitive. And once you press it again, you can see.
Okay.
Now you hear again the pump recalibrating, making sure that it's there. You go. So now install footboard. It's done. Other articulations available. So close it. Then put it back to mid-set. You have to put patient between 30 to 45 degrees, right? As part of the, protocol, and then making it's too high. The lungs of the patient,
Okay.
better because exchanges of gases happens at the bottom part of the lungs. Now, I think I'm done with it, but let me just go on with it. If you have the patient here
Okay.
and checking on a daily basis the scale or the weight,
Okay.
patient just press this. We don't have a patient,
Okay.
but you see the green,
Yeah, the
it's
patient.
only the patient
Okay.
who's being weighed.
Okay.
If they have couple of bags, urine bags, etc., then it will not be part of the scale,
The scale
or
of
the
the
weight
patient.
that you will get from this.
Okay.
Now, options will be add, remove.
Oh.
Patient starts to ask another pillow.
Mm.
So now, when you put another pillow, go back. Let's go back. Here,
Okay.
options, add, remove. So when you notice also, you see
Yeah.
it go back. It goes back to original, where adjust bed position. So meaning to say, you will be asked again until it goes to green, and it's too high.
It's too high.
It's too high. But the thing is, I don't know why. Let's put it because there's a certain, once you see green, earlier
Yeah.
we
Adjust.
adjust. You can flip it something like this. What's happening? Nothing is happening. What's the required position? I guess we don't have a patient. So, since we don't have a patient, I don't see it's green.
Green,
So
okay.
there's really an issue here. Put it up.
We should make sure, guys, that the instruction,
Yeah.
we will follow the instruction with regards to the height
Yes.
and the position of the bed, or the
Bed.
parts of the bed, okay?
Especially height and the foot section. It's
Still.
nothing is happening. What's wrong?
Oh, yeah, it's green already.
Ah!
Okay.
So